CM sir is introducing his family to the members of Bharat Varsha University. Let Mr. M.M. Ahmed do the awards. Congratulations once again, sir. AC.
But guest of honors, our university founder, chairman, and Mr. Dr. T.N. Swami, officials, and all doctors, awardee, friends present here. Today, this is a very auspicious and very special day in the history. You know why I said very special day? Because we organize a big convocation program every year, but this time on a special request by someone, Mr. Hazarika, for the CM sir, very VVIP person from Karbi Anglong, Assam, who also deserves this prestigious honorary Causa Doctorate Award and also Lifetime Achievement Award too. And we are gathered here in this hotel conference room. This prestigious honorary doctorate award is recognized by Niti Aayog Government of India. I must say here that this prestigious honorary doctorate degree award ever cannot be compared with the money. This doctorate degree award only on nomination basis, considering to uncommonly meritorious accomplishment and activities in broader area benefits to society that reflects the values estimated by our great Bharat Virtual University for Peace and Education. It is very important that recipient be a person who make profound and enduring contribution to improve quality of life in the society at large, achievement of national or international significance. As like Tulsi Ram sir, I salute you because you have done so many work in the field of society, and you are the CM of the council. Tulsi Ram sir. Lastly, I announce we have nominated Dr. Hazarika as a coordinator for Northeast for our Bharat Virtual University. I also announce here our next big honorary doctorate award ceremony at Delhi on 5th of December. So you are cordially invited at Delhi to celebrate the award ceremony. Again, I thank to all. Jai Hind, Namaste. Thank you.
Respected Dr. D.N. Sami, Honorable Retired Major General of India Army, Founder Chairman of Bharat Virtual University for Peace and Education, Respected Dr. M.M. Ahmed, Honorable Director Vice Chairman, Respected Mr. Kumar Rajesh, Honorable Dean of University Director, and respected Honorable MP, respected Honorable guests, respected Honorable MLAs, my colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. And South India famous actor Sounden Goda present here. Today is a very great day for me. I am honored and pleased to be invited here today, gratefully received and honorary doctorate degree from Bharat Virtual University for peace and education. Life has given me so much of great opportunities to serve my own people. Since from the beginning I started my political career, I began to see there a lot of work to be done for my people. We need development. We need peace in our district. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can be only be achieved by understanding. It is vital for us to possess peace within, because peace is the path from the beginning, growth and prosperity to society. With the emergence of 6 militant group activities in our region, it has hampered peace, stability and social life of the people of Karbi Anglong. In the past years, in the time of uncertainty, it was necessary to restore peace and order. Under the dynamic and energetic Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji and the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Team Karbi Anglong has been able to make close proximity to those armed individuals to come forward to reach peace settlement. I am gratified to say that those peace negotiations was achievable by the effort made by people who believes in it. I want